Hi guys, welcome to the first ever straight out the box wig install video. In today's video, I will show you guys how I installed this glueless 22-inch 5x5 body wave wig from LuvMe Hair straight out the box without using any kind of glue. Thank you to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. This is the way that the wig looks without washing it, styling it, plucking it, or bleaching it. Now, as you can see, the top half of the hair is straight, and then the bottom of the hair has a body wave texture. The wig comes with an elastic band that's already attached, an adjustable strap for the wig cap, and some combs to secure the wig to your head. In the box, you can find a nude wig cap, a case with some bobby pins in it, a LuvMe hair clip, a satin scarf, tweezers, an extra elastic band, and an edge control brush. Y'all, it was so hard to show you guys the way the lace looks. The HD lace is so thin. If you guys saw one of my last videos where I was actually taking you guys along with me for the day while filming this sponsored video, you could see that I actually tested out the lace on my skin tone, but also tested it out on my boyfriend's skin tone. The lace literally disappears. Here you can see a close-up of the knots on the lace. The knots in the front of the lace are a lot thinner than the knots where the parting is. I decided not to bleach the knots because I feel like whenever I try to bleach the knots on a wig, it always ends up going wrong or the hair tends to fall out in the long run. I just like to make sure to prevent the lace from balding a lot faster, and this is what I do by not bleaching the knots. This wig also comes pre-plucked, so plucking was not necessary, which is perfect for a quick install. Trust me, you'll save so much time. To hide the knots a little bit, I used a foundation on the hairline of the lace and the part that I am going for today. I did this on the inside of the wig, and when I'm done styling the hair and it's already on my head, I'll do this on the outside as well. So as you can see, I added a hair clip to the front of my hair so I can cut the lace off. I like to do this with a small scissor because it makes it easier for me to see where I'm cutting. You can also see that I'm going pretty close to where the hairline starts. I personally don't like it when there's too much lace left, so this is why I like to cut it as close as possible. Here you can see what the lace looks like, cut and uncut. Now you can definitely still see the knots in the front. If you don't want to bleach your knots either, like me, don't worry about that. Just make sure that when you're doing your makeup, or if you're not doing your makeup, so after styling, you add some foundation on it, or you can also use your favorite face powder. This way you can try to mask the knots as good as possible. I'm not gonna lie, I end up being pretty lazy when it comes to my knots sometimes, because I personally feel that if anyone can see my knots like super clear, they're just a little too close, you know? So now let's move on to the best part, the styling of the hair. When it comes to installing my wig, I always end up a little anxious because I don't want to mess it up. But the beautiful thing about styling is that if you mess it up this time, you sure can fix it the next time. I used my hot comb to get the front of the hair as flat as possible, and then I used my babyless curling iron to curl my hair and create some bombshell curls. Now let's talk about this hair for a minute. So this wig, like I said, is from LuvMe Hair. It's their 5x5 undetectable invisible lace glueless closure wig. I got this in 22 inches in the body wave texture. I have worn this hair now for about 2 weeks straight, and I must say I'm very impressed with the way that the hair still feels. I have washed it once and the hair still feels nice and soft after washing. The hair also doesn't shed a lot, which is a major key for me. However, when it comes to styling the hair into some bombshell curls, the top of the hair doesn't stay curled long enough for me. The curls drop pretty fast. There's definitely nothing wrong with that if that's the style that you like, but personally, for me, I like it when my whole hair is in this body wave texture and it's not just the bottom. To achieve the glueless style, and I mean no glue, no got to be spray, no freeze spray, nada. It's so important to have an elastic band on the wig that's just tight enough. I really like that this wig came with an elastic band already sewn on, so I didn't have to do it myself and figure out exactly where to put the band to get the right amount of tightness. So that right there was a major plus for me. At first, when I saw the elastic band already on it, I wasn't really sure if this was going to fit around my head, be either too tight or just a little too loose, but it actually fit perfectly. Now, even though the curls don't last as long as I like them to, I would still like to recommend this hair to you because of the quality of the hair and the minimum shedding of the hair as well. The 5x5 lace closure is seriously a must for me because I get to take it off at night and pop it back on in the morning, which, oh my gosh, best thing ever, without having to style it or even glue it on. So on the Naomi wig loving meter, this wig would definitely hit a good 8 out of 10. I really hope that this straight out the box wig video was helpful for you guys. I hope that this review was also helpful. It was short, it was sweet. If there is anything else that you would like to know about this hair, just leave the questions in the comments down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you again to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!